guys, today I wanted to do a little bagging, I guess, on the new Kenison Bassets. And I have to say, the way he did the packaging on these is super cute. In the back, you have all of your knife facts. It'll be marked with which one you got. So we got the teal and titanium. It gives all the material information, blade length, open length, closed length, and then a little description on which one you got. And then of course the front. It reminds me of Hank the Cowdog. I just love it. And then on the inside, normally when you get them you'll have to do the little tear along. We got the unsealed, so you can kind of see a little bit of what's going on in there. But when you open your packaging, these are what's in there. So starting here is your little hanky, your cleaning cloth. It's got the Basset on one side. Other side's just going to be that gray microfiber. When I say his rags are just always top tier with material and feel and everything, I love it. When you're going to get your little package pouch, it comes with, if I can get it open, sticker and patch. Then you're going to get your styrofoam that's got your knife in it, and that is Kenison's Basset Hound. Friggin' amazing flipping action, whether you do thumb or finger. And then of course the color is just gorgeous. And so that's just showing y'all kind of how it is when you order the new Kenison Basset, or maybe the Fido. Y'all have a great day.